Picture this. You didn't get the grades you wanted or were expecting. Well, these students can provide you with some hope because they're going to tell us how they still managed to find their place at university. Why did you go through clearing?
I did not want to take a gap year. I knew that I wanted to go to university this year. I didn't get the results I wanted and clearing was the way to go.
I didn't get the grades that I wanted to go into the course that I intended to. I did get an offer, but I just decided that course wasn't for me anymore. It wasn't my cup of tea. So I decided, it was time to ring some universities and kind of figure out really what I want to do.
And now you've been through clearing, how do you feel about it?
I think it's great. It's not actually scary, and I actually got to study the course I wanted to, get in the uni I wanted to get into, and having a good time in here.
And do you think going through clearing affected your uni experience at all?
Not one bit. What? How can it?
Definitely not. I think your mind is just like, okay, I didn't get the grades. It's all about grades, but it genuinely isn't.
No one really cares about if you went through clearing, what grades you got. At the end of the day, you're all there to study the same course, get the same degree.
I guess it's the embarrassment of picking up the phone and feeling like you have to beg for a degree. That's not the case. You're just readjusting your path, basically.
And now you've been there, done that, got the t-shirt, how do you view clearing?
I would say it's quite a unique experience, and clearing has made me the person I am today. So yeah, I'm really thankful for it in a way. It's a blessing in disguise.
So we've learned today it's important to not be afraid of changing your mind, to not be afraid to pick up the phone, and also stay calm. Of course, head to UCAS.com if you have any further questions or you'd like to find out more information about your next steps.